What's up, guy? You guys been asking me to share my portfolio of what company do I think is best to invest for long term. So in this videos, I want to share with you now is one of the best opportunity to buy into great company, disruptive company that have potential to 10x in the next 3 to 5 years, or maybe even 7 years. Because why? The market is pulling back right now. That means if you believe into some of your favorite company, disruptive company, and if you have the budget, you have the money right now, then you can buy stock at a great discount. And remember, guys, I am not your personal advisor. This is just me on the YouTube and created video to share my experience of what worked for me, okay, and what I think is best to invest in right now. And always do your own research. So here is my first company. This is the 5 company that I think is have the potential to 10x in the next 3 to 5 years. The first company I want to talk about is Palantir Technology, PLTR. You can see right here. The price today is $22.64 while I'm creating this videos. So maybe tomorrow you may see the different price. But the point in here is this morning, the price dropped down to $21 and now it's $22. If you look at last week, the price $24. Last month, less than a month, the price like $26. And last, look for what is that all-time high is like $40. You look right here. The high is $45. So what I try to point out is 3 points why I think this company is great. Number one is Palantir Technology is a company related to AI, data, and in the future, AI and data is very, very important. And I'm not going to talk about like the technology, what is Palantir do. I already created like several videos about Palantir Technology already. But the point in this video I want to tell you is, number one, if you, let's say, purchase Palantir right now and believe into Palantir, now you can buy Palantir as a 50% discount. That's the first thing. All right, congrats. The second thing is All Invest yesterday, she invested probably 1,020,000 shares into Palantir at the price of, I think it's $24, something like that. So she invest over 22 or 25 million of dollars into Palantir. That's crazy. And last week, like last 1 or 2 weeks, she invest over $350 million into this company. So technically, she invest almost $400 million into this company. Why? Obviously, she is one of the best investors of all time, and she invests into this company. There have to be a reason why. Because while many people panic, All Invest saw opportunity. She invests into this company because she think this is the future. The future has to be AI. And AI is a need for many technology down the road. It's a need for genomic. It's a need for EV car. It's the need for robot taxi, many different things. And it's a need for the government. It's a need for enterprise, everything. And she saw the founders, Alex, Peter Thiel, have huge potential. So I'm not going to sit here and talk about all the benefit of Palantir Technology. But the point in here is this company have huge potential to 10x. As a matter of fact, I see one of the reasons why she invested into this company, because she really think this company may have the potential to go all the way to $1 trillion or more in the future. So if you're looking for a long-term company to invest in, Palantir, to me, is the number one stock right now, in my opinion, to invest in for long term. Okay. Of course, beside Palantir, you know, I always say Dogecoin is number one, but it's crypto. But for stock, it's Palantir. Now, jump on to the second company. Nowhere else. It's called NIO. NIO, the price right now is $38.13. I love NIO. I saw a huge potential in NIO. And NIO is basically, it's more like the Tesla of China. And NIO have one of the strongest brand in China, positioned as premium, and the government support them. Right now, they just released their new model. The founder is excellent. You know, he put $1 billion into the company, and he this is the only company right now he focused on. And this guy, he have past history experience, a track record success, operate company, related to the auto industry. So I really see that this company is going to be huge because China population is very big, billion. And right now they haven't even changed and shipped the direction into EV yet. But if they do, it's a huge, huge opportunity. And I love NIO business model. They have subscription model. They have the battery swap. They have the different kind of car, and they call it badass. So $38 right now is a really bargain and discount. If you look at the last few months, right, NIO, their price is at $66, almost $67. Just happened last 1 or 2 months. Check a look right here, right? It just happened like last 1 month and a half. They almost $67. So right now, the price is only $38. It's the no-brainer. So that is the second company I recommend. The third company is Hexo, guys. Hexo, if you love cannabis, all right, if you think that this year or even next year, the government will legalize cannabis, then look no further, because I think Hexo is the top 3 company beside Tilray, Hexo, and Afira, and also SNDL as well. But I think Hexo, if I have to invest in long term, I probably will go with Hexo. I love the idea that Hexo, you can put like cannabis inside the water bottle and turn it into a cannabis string. And I really see that is one of the very clever way that Hexo partner up with Molson Court to push out that drink. And of course, Hexo, they also have cannabis that they can license or co-brand with different industry like cosmetic industry, skincare, and gummy bears, supplement, many different industry that they can partner up with. And I think that's a very clever concept. So I think Hexo have a good niche, and the founders, Sebastian, he know how to execute this company. Okay, so right now the price is like $6.73. Their all-time highest for the last 1 year is $11, and the last 5 years, click right here. So last 2 years in 2019, their price is like at $33.60. Wow. So that's mean when the cannabis legalized, there is a possibility that we go back to $33 or even $35. So if you put $1 in, you might get even $5 out if they reach to their all-time highest. But I really think if the US government like legalize that, and after that, like the world start to bandwagon, and they selling cannabis in Europe, in Mexico, and all around the world, then I really see a huge potential of Hexo gonna 5x to 10x, probably could go up to like $30, $40, or even $50 per share. Okay, so right now the price is $6.73. is still pretty cheap. The next company is IPOE, which is SoFi. I talk about SoFi a lot of times. SoFi is an app that allow you to borrow money for student or anyone. They allow you to save the money, invest the money, and they also have partnership with insurance company, so you can purchase insurance as well. And this app is going to disrupt the finance industry. And I really see that right now. They haven't even merged with SoFi yet, but the price already skyrocket already. Last time, the price, I think, is around like $28. So they went to $28 last couple of months ago. See right here, it's just only 1 month ago. The price at $28. So right now, you get into IPOE at $16.60. It's a 40% discount, guy. This is a bargain, and I really see that SoFi is going to expand a lot in the future. Imagine if you know Square 3 to 5 years ago, and that time Square still that little like chip that you put on your phone and you swipe, and imagine you invest into Square at $20 or $30. Right now, Square at $200 something is already 10x. So I really like to think that Square 3 to 5 years ago is kind of like SoFi right now, kind of like IPOE right now, is a good opportunity for you to invest in. And when I go to work out, I always see like SoFi, the advertise all the time, right? on the TV. They blow up on TV. They blow up on Facebook. They blow up on like YouTube ad. This company, they know how to advertise. Okay. Anyway, guys, long story short, $16.60 for IPOA is a bargain right now. So this is my 4 company if I do invest in Palantir, Neo, Hexo, and IPOA. All right, the last company, if you look at, is BNGO, Bionano Genomics. BNGO, right now the price is $7.75. If you guys love about health industry, love about gene editing industry, and you believe that in the future, as we expand more technology, more human start to, just the population start to increase more, then eventually we going to have more disease. Just like right now we have COVID-19 and last few years we have many different disease, from the bird disease to, I don't know, the flu virus disease, like, you know, whatever it is. But if down the road you believe that they're going to be more disease, and imagine if there is a company that allow to scan and you can detect the disease, detect the virus, detect the bacteria. And if that company can detect those gene, virus, bacteria, so that's what that really means is they can really have a higher chance to curve the disease, because down the road, gene editing is basically they detect whatever in your body, and after that they can go inside your body and they can edit the section in that gene that you don't want. So let's say if somebody born with diabetes or Down syndrome or some sort of like cancer, so down the road, if they have the technology like Bionomic, they can scan and know what is the problem. And all the company like, you know, Chris Therapy, they can go in there and they edit your gene and replace that gene with some you know, just like they replace that gene. So basically they can curve that disease or that virus. That's going to be a game changing for the health industry. So I really see Bionomic is, they have a really huge position and a huge future down the road. And if you look at the price right now, that BNGO, the price is at $7 something. And last time the price go all the way to like almost $16. So if you buy right now, you see, this is less than a month. The price go all the way to $16. So if you buy right now, it's like almost 50% discount, guy. All right. So this is the 5th company that I recommend. So the 6th company I want to talk about is Blink Charging. This is the bonus, guy. If you like EV industry, like Tesla, if you invest in Tesla, if you invest into Neo, then normally an EV car, they need a charging station, right? You know, as EV start to rise, then they have to have charging station. So Blink Charging is a charging station for EV car. And right now they already expand. They have over 1,000 of stations in Atlanta, Georgia, in many different states. And last time, if you look at it, it's like the price is all the way to $64.50. So right now the price is only $33.86. Normally, if a stock they pull back or they drop, chance are in the next few more months they can go back to the normal like $60, or they can even go up higher. But like I say, EV is a need. It's not gonna go away anytime soon. And if EV, there's more car, they're gonna need more charging station. It's a need, and this company is ready to scale. So $33 is a no-brainer right now. So Blink Charging, here you go. All right, guys, let's recap. The 5 companies that I mentioned today, if I invest into long term, I will go with Palantir Technology, $22.62. Even though tomorrow, if it go up a little bit higher, it's totally, it's totally fine. It's up to you. You can still invest. Neo, $38.13. Hexo, $6.73. IPOA, $16.60. BNGO, $7.77. And the last one is bonus Blink Charging, $33.86. All right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumb up, like, share this videos, and subscribe to the channel. And guys, always invest like a genius and do your own research. All right, guys, bye for now.